Hello, welcome to my lighter collection. I show you some of mine favorites. First one is a motor saw, real metal, and the fire comes out here. It's very heavy, nice lighter. The next one is here a lighthouse, like North Germany. Push it here and the fire comes out and the lights are blinking in the windows. Very nice. What we have next is up here a little bathroom with some tiny house shoes, mirror, and fire comes out here. Then we have a beer bottle, some maybe beer in it, not to drink, and you open the bottle to light the fire. Underneath there's an opener for beer bottles, especially for parties. Then we have this gun, double shooting, comes a double flame, lays good in hand. So we have here a little thing on it and fire comes up. No, don't work. There's a little chain on it. Very sweet. Now we have this bullet, very big, and open here comes the fire. It's like Full Metal Jacket. This is all very cute. Flower, and bend the flower here to light up. Now here's a tiny one. It's like a candy, but the fire is hidden here. Yeah. To refill, push this off and there's a to refill. Now here is a tool, a grinder. Push this handle and fire shoots out. And this a little blinky for the sparks coming out. Ooh. Oh, this big one here comes with a display. It's like a very heavy gun. Oh, flip it over, snap, and there's the full gun. Fire comes out the top. And in front we have a flashlight. Oh, put it back. Over here, it's a little mobile phone. Oh. Open up the lid, and there's a calculator. Push it on and make some calculates. Oh yeah, fire is also in there. Very nice idea. Oh, here, very also heavy metal. Heavy metal, I mean. When you push it here, fire comes and the rock starts. Yeah, and there are really guitar sides and steel, and looks very well. All that from a ship, a steering wheel. The fire comes not out, it's damaged, but it looks also nice. A very big one. It's an Aladdin lamp. There's some pearls and stuff in there. It's like a snowball. Shake it and flows around. Here's the fire. Push it. And when you push and turn, the fire stays. And you can trigger it higher or lower and turn it off. And flame goes slowly inside and it's done. Oh, here's a little tiny one. You can make it on a keychain, and to open it you have to turn the cap off, and there's a little flint, and you have to rub it and put some gas in there, like a Zippo. Oh, it's waterproof, I think. Also metal. And when the lighter burns, you can take the extinguisher. Oh, no function. Little extinguish here. Oh, here's another big one. It's a old school phone. Take off the, make the calls. Hello. Put it back, and the fire starts by pushing this button. Oh, don't burn the handle. Very nice. So, what we have, I think this normally lighter here is really a big one of this tiny brothers, and it lights up. And many gas in there, but no refill. I should stay a long time. Thank you, that was my lighter collection. See you next time.